Hello everyone, this is Guy with Unqualified Critics. Just having an unboxing today of SprezzaBox. Just actually got a subscription for this. My girlfriend actually signed me up as part of a holiday gift. Didn't even know what it was. These are my second and third box. The first one I got, I opened up not knowing what it was, and was actually pleasantly surprised. Anyways, a little bit about these SprezzaBoxes. They are a monthly subscription, cost about $28 a month, and they promote sending you between $100 and $150 worth of items. These are more for men more than anything, and they usually send you about 6 items a box, and they're actually pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you here, and we'll see what we got. Alright, let's see what we have here. Now, just so you know, these do not come with a anything covering. They actually are shipped just with the SprezzaBox and the plastic film. So, I'm not too thrilled about that because anyone could just walk up and take it out. Alright, this is the Lexington. Happy New Year. Let's kick off 2018 with a touch of classic style. Let's see. They also send different things in here, different promotions and for other apps, or this one's a wine voucher. Alright, got a nice pair of socks here. Now usually this site will tell you how much each one would normally retail at. The ties are for normally $45. Nice tie. Last time I got a lapel pin. This is a tie clip. Not bad. Collar stays for your shirt. Metal collar stays. I actually already have metal collar stays, but I do like them. And here we have a lint remover, and then a nice pocket square. Kind of goes with the socks and the tie. Alright, not bad. Let's see what we have in the other one. So like I was saying earlier, you can actually do a monthly subscription. You can't just go and buy a single box. You have to have the subscription itself. And you can either do $28 a month, or you can pay a one-time $300 for 12 months. It comes out to $25, so you save yourself $3. Alright, this one we have the Manhattan. New York City is like no other place in the world. It's definitely true in more ways than one. Alright, 5-4. Actually, I have a subscription to that as well. I'll be doing that video of that here soon. Alright, looks like we're going purple on this one. Another pair of socks. Another nice tie there. And the chino. Alright, looks like we have a shoehorn there. Chuck offs. Open, wipe, you're welcome. I guess to clean your shoes with. That's interesting. A little minimalist wallet here. I actually really like that. That is nice. And another little lapel pin there. Alright, well, all in all, that's it. I think they're stretching it, saying that each one of these comes out to be between 100 and 150, but still I feel that I am getting at least, if not more than $28 worth of items here. So leave your comments below. I'll see about gathering another couple boxes and see what we have next time, do another unboxing video. Until then, this has been Guy with Unqualified Critics. Thanks for watching.